We're back with another adventure here in the Florida Keys.
And this time we will be exploring the Florida Keys in another electric vehicle.
Not a Tesla?
Not a Tesla. We are in a Polestar 2 electric vehicle. This is a competitor to Tesla. It is made by Volvo. We're pretty excited to give it a shot. They didn't have any Teslas in stock. They had this though, but that's cool. We want to try something different.
As long as it's electric,
As long as it's electric, it's good. So what are we doing?
So we are here in the Florida Keys for about 5 days. And the weather is beautiful. So we're just basically outside. We're hanging out outside. The water looks amazing. And we're gonna get in the water. We're gonna go visit Florida Keys.
We'll do some dolphin watching.
I think that's on the agenda.
Scuba diving.
Eat some food.
Some key lime pies.
I hear that's where key lime pie was born, so we're gonna try some of that.
And really just explore. Right? We've never been down here, so we gotta check it out. And what better way to check it out than in an electric vehicle?
Apparently that's the highlight for Max.
People think we're sponsors for electric vehicles. We're not. We're just very excited.
Excited to travel sustainably.
Exactly.
And this is a great way to save money because gas prices, hello. And because it's just better for the environment. So let's get going. First up.
And wait, at the end though, stay tuned to the end because we will tell you which car we like better.
Oh,
Tesla Model 3 or Polestar 2.
Okay, let's go get in the water. We made it to Key West. Last night we pulled into the Parrot Key Hotel where we're staying for the next 2 nights. And it feels like another world out here. Key Largo and Marathon were a lot more quiet, there's a lot less people, and here everything is buzzing with excitement. So we're really looking forward to spending a couple of days here, exploring the town. We're gonna eat some food, we're gonna go out and check out the town and all of its history. We're gonna get out on the water, the weather is beautiful, and guess what? We're gonna eat some more key lime pie because this is where it's from and we're excited to try it in its birthplace. But first, let's enjoy this beautiful weather.
we have finished up our 4 nights in the Florida Keys, and it has been an awesome time. The weather was great. The water was so warm. It wasn't too crowded, which is good. I think we're kind of right in between seasons, so that kind of worked to our advantage. But yeah, we've had a very good time. We went scuba diving for the first time in like 9-10 months, which was cool. We had probably the best dolphin watching experience that we've ever had. It was just amazing. We were on the electric boat, which was very cool, and the dolphins just pretty much swam right beside us and said hello and splashed Oksana, which was very, very cool. And yeah, we ate some very good food. It was very fresh seafood. Oksana had a lot of key lime pie, which
too much key lime pie.
Maybe should be overweight for her luggage on the way back. But other than that, it's been very good. We'll definitely be back again. There's lots more to check out that we haven't. 4 days is just not enough, but it's something. It's something. We got down here finally. Been to Florida lots of times, but haven't been down here, so super pumped. And yeah.
How's the Polestar?
Ah, yes, the Polestar. The Polestar is a very interesting car. It is different than the Tesla in many ways. It is a bit more luxurious. We have AC on the seats, which is nice for this Florida weather. The smart features aren't as smart. It would work great if you were an Android user. I am an Apple user, so it is not as great. But if I had to choose, I think I'd still choose the Tesla Model 3, although this Polestar is very nice. Not as easy to charge because they don't have the supercharger network, but it's still a very nice car that's made by Volvo, and I would recommend it. So buy electric cars, guys. And on that note, we're going back up to Canada to get reacquainted with our van, Benji.
Not an electric car.
Not an electric car.
But he's pretty cool.
But he has batteries inside of him, so he's partly electric. All right, take care, guys.